Hi guys, this is the follow-up video from the previous video on Accenture. So if you haven't watched our previous video on Accenture, you can find the card above. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So here we have Sundar, who's currently working in Accenture. So we'll get to know more details from him. So Sundar, what is your current job role?
Hi and
Hi.
hello everyone. I was placed using college campus placement and I have given a role for application development associate. Actually, it is a starting role for career level 12 actually.
You told level 12. So what is the starting level and what is the topmost level?
According to Accenture and as per my knowledge, it starts from 13, career level 13. That will be provided to who are graduated in arts, not for engineering graduates. It's for arts graduates. They will be giving career level 13. So from 13 they will be promoting till like 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. It will be going on there. After career level 5, it will be considered as leadership. So
Mm.
there is no further level after career level 5 actually. So everyone will be considered as leadership.
In our last video on Accenture, which you can find on the card above, we have spoken about how to get into the recruitment and selection process. So here in this video, we'll primarily focus on the training aspects because many of you have requested in the comments on how the training will be and how the examination patterns and all the other stuff. So starting with what is the duration of training?
So after you get placed and you will be receiving LOI offer letter and everything. After that, before joining, you will be given a set of courses of basics of technologies and related to computer science. So basic topics will be there. Okay, it will be like 10 to 15 topics that you need to be a self-learned session. No one will be teaching that. It's all the basic things like Java, Python, security, data security, and SQL and databases. These are the basic topics will be covered in that modules. So you will be getting access to the website portal, their education portal. There you can learn all these things actually. So after joining, there will be assessment. This is the first assessment in Accenture. We called it as primers actually. So in that assessment, all these topics there will be questions. It's like I think 20 questions will be there. Uh, if you get above 60 percentage in that assessment, you will be rewarded of another 10,000 from your first month salary actually. So after that, you will be asked for prioritizing the what are the domains available in Accenture. So you will be given a receiving a mail like a list like what are the domains available in Accenture. For example, Salesforce, SAP, Java. Also, these are the domains, some of the domains. What are the trending domains, available domains, which is available in Accenture. So after that, you have to prioritize all these domains from 1 to 15. So which will be at your top priority based on your interest. And after that, they will give you one domain. So it is not guaranteed that your first priority domain will be provided to you. So it depends on the business demand and business requirements as per Accenture. After your domain got assigned to you, there will be a 1 month to 3 month training based on your domain. So if your domain is in a very large topic like big data Java, it will be some 3 to 4 months course. So it's very, if the domain is very short to learn, then it will be 15 to 1 month. The training depends on the domain.
Okay, so initially that the basic training which you told before joining, so how long will it take to complete those courses?
I think they will be giving days of 45 to 60 days to complete those trainings. I'm not sure, but minimum of 45 days, I think, to complete all those modules.
Okay, what if you fail in that first assessment?
Actually, previously there was a passing criteria, but
Hmm.
from the batch 2022, there is no passing criteria for that primers. So overall mark is considered as a passing criteria. There is no separate passing criteria for the primers exam actually. So they will be considering the primers mark and this stream training mark, and both will be calculated. You should score above 60 percentage.
When will you get to know the results?
you will be writing 3 to 5 exams. After each exam, in a 1 or 2 weeks, you will be receiving the result. So if
Mm.
you are not up to the passing criteria, or like you are below the 60 percentage of the mark, you will be given a chance of like retest. It's called RT1. And if you failed there again, you will be given another chance, that is RT2. So if a candidate fails in RT2,
Mm.
and like they are not capable of being in Accenture, actually it's a mandatory
Mm.
course in Accenture. Like you have to pass the both the test, all the test and above for 60 percentage overall.
Okay. So like all are all the examinations objective or both objective and descriptive?
Yeah, everything will be objectives only.
Okay.
So
There's no
there will
coding.
no, like there may be a pseudo codes,
Uh-huh.
but all the questions will be in objective based. Sometimes you may be having like each test will be 20 marks. So consider if there is 5 tests, total the mark is 100. So
Uh.
on the average you have to score above 60.
So how difficult are these modules or subjects and the exam? So how difficult it is?
Okay, first of all, I tell you, like
Hmm.
if there is an interest, and if you have some uh, prior education or prior skill certification related to the stream which you have assigned, then it will be very much easy for you. Like if
Hmm.
you are coming from non-IT background and you are assigned to Java or something like programming languages from a IT background, then it will be difficult for you. And in this training, we call this training, actually we call it as techgenics training. So here the tutor will be there, your POC will be there, so you will be practicing in hands-on training. So this will be going for that 1 or 2 months. Then if you're a fast learner, then it is will be easily.
So before the primary examination, those modules you'll have to self-learn, and at the stream training they will teach.
Yeah, they will teach, and there will be a trainer for that. Like they will be separated in you in separate batches. So if you find any difficulties in learning or something, they will be
Hmm.
always there to help you.
Okay, so how good is the teaching?
Yeah, the teaching depends on the every person they teach.
Mm-mm-mm.
Actually, it depends on the domain and our interest. Actually, I would like to say it's very good. As it is not a college or a school, this is
Uh,
the work now. So we have to do some put some effort to score high marks here.
So, like the next question is a little controversial. So,
Okay.
feel free not to answer this question. So, how how easy is it to like cheat in the examination? Because the advent of all the online exams and the proctoring, the stringent proctoring and stuff. So, is it like do you find people cheating often in examinations? So, if you can comment on it, it's okay. If you want to skip, then it's no problem.
Okay, it's like sometimes you will be allotted to the separate classroom in the Accenture base at your location at Accenture facility. There will be assigned some specific classroom locations. So there will be an invigilator too. Mobile phones, these kind of stuffs are not allowed inside that classroom, and it will be a monitor session too. So there will be a proctor online and the proctor offline also.
So every exam you are supposed to give at the center, or you can take it up online at home also. Like, do you have a
Actually,
choice?
according to my knowledge, it is based on domain. Some domain people will go to the office and road write their exams.
Hmm.
At some domain, they are allowed to, due to this COVID situations, from this actually from this pandemic time, they can write exams at their home too, with prior permission.
Right. Okay. Do you know what Proctor application they use? Or the
They
other
they they are using Metal platform.
metal? Okay. Can you specify the number of re-examinations which you can give if you fail in the first attempt?
You will be given a chance of two re-attempts actually. One is RT1 and one is RT2.
This is for the generic training as well as the stream training. Each will have two attempts. Is it so?
No, like primers, that's the first exam. For the primers, there is no passing criteria or anything. So there is no reattempt exam in primers. Only for this techgenic stream training, you will be having a
Hmm.
RT1 and RT2.